ILJIN Electric, a company that lights up the world. We would like to introduce cable division equipped with full turnkey construction capabilities. At ILJIN, we use self-produced copper and aluminum rods to manufacture high, medium, low voltage cables including HVDC cables from 1 kilovolt to 500 kilovolts and its accessories such as terminations and joints. Manufactured power cables are being exported to worldwide countries, including Europe, the Americas, Middle East, and Asia. ILJIN Electric not just supplies power cables, but provides full turnkey methods for construction, which not only includes installing new cables, but also removing existing cables, civil construction, and site testing services. In order to install underground cables, the cable pulling is carried out at the site. The cables can be connected underground using ILJIN joints by ILJIN jointers at the site. ILJIN can perform jointing work without any setback and connecting very long cables. At the terminal point, which is the end of the cable, the termination work can be done using ILJIN terminations by ILJIN workers to connect the cable to the transformers, GIS, or overhead line. The turnkey method service is provided, which includes the site test for final safety check of the installed system. ILJIN Electric conducted turnkey construction in USA, United Kingdom, Norway, Kuwait, and Singapore, etc. ILJIN can carry out turnkey or full turnkey construction depending on the need of our customers in order to guarantee high quality and reliability. Beyond simple product manufacturer, total solution provider for T&D systems to customers, ILJIN Electric.